What is up, guys? Today we're looking into our moves over the last week. We've made some changes to the portfolio, and we've even made some big gains. What is up? My name's Matt, and I am the beginning investor. And if this is your first time watching, I invest $20 a week into less expensive stocks to show that even with a small amount, you can expect gains. Also, remember to subscribe and hit that like button. It really helps the growth of my channel. So what we're going to look at is we're going to look at the gains that I made as far as a week, month, 3 months, year, and all time. So as you can see on the day, we're actually up close to, 16.27%. So $187.64. Over the last week, we are up $328.21, or 33.42%. Over the last month, we are up 59.98%, or $491.27. Over the last 3 months, we are up over 127.67%, or $734.81. So this means we have more than doubled our money, and we are actually on our way to almost a time and a half on our money invested. Same thing for the year and all time, because again, we started investing around April 3rd. So that was our first initial deposit. So as we take a look at our current portfolio, we'll see that we have 8 stocks that we currently hold right now. So SCM, or Stellus Capital Investment, $8.33 a share. We picked them up at $8.26, so we are up 29 cents in this position. With Gain, we picked up a couple weeks ago. It is at $11.14. We picked it up at $10.62. We got 3 shares of them. We're doing well, $1.56 in that position. In Broadmark Realty Capital, we are at $9.57. We picked them up for $8.78. We are up $3.16 on this position. For Suns, or Solar Senior Capital, it's sitting at $13.45. We picked up 2 shares at an average cost of $11.83. So we're up $3.24 in this position. Horizon, $11.72. We have that lovely dividend pending on June 16th, so we'll look forward to that whopping 20 cents that we'll get. We picked them up for 3 shares at $9.70. We are up $6.07, so over 20% in that position. And then EPR. So this company has skyrocketed over the last, when I picked them up, it was like April 27th. I picked them up around here. I picked them up for 24 and some change, and look at it now. It's at 43 cents, or $43, not 43 cents. This is something that has the potential to shoot up to 70, even 80. I know there was, a couple years ago it was at 83. So this one's a little worrisome for some people because it does hold AMC in a lot of its properties. Which, if you've been following the news at all, AMC is on the verge of potentially going bankrupt. So if that's the case, we could see this position go down a little bit, but I think we got such a steal that, we only hold 1 share in them, and it's up over 73%. So we're happy. It's got 38.2 cents on the dividend, but they did postpone those for the time being, so hopefully they get back to paying those again. And we've already seen the gains in just holding the stock alone, so we're happy and content with this one. Let's move on to NRZ. We picked up this one way back when, like April 3rd, when we picked up Carnival Cruise, or maybe the week after. This one, again, we picked up for $8.69. We got them for an average cost of $3.74. So it has a return of over 132%, which means we've more than doubled our money, and we're sitting pretty. So the last one in our portfolio, we have Carnival at $22.39. So Carnival Cruise, I picked up on April 3rd for $8.10. So you can see I got 47 shares. The market value is well over 1,000 now. Our total return is close to 200%, which means we've almost tripled our money, and it's still got the potential to go back up to $50, which, if that's the case, we will get about 6 times return on our investment. So we're doing well with this one. So this is kind of a look at our equity. And then too, as I switch here, we can see our total return. So every one of our positions we are up in. So we hold 8 positions, we're up in all 8. So as I transition here, we did make one move this week. We did sell off Colony Credit Real Estate. We sold 4 shares at $4.85, which had we held on to them, they'd be worth a little bit more right now. But again, we wanted to use that money to purchase Broadmark Realty Capital. So Broadmark Realty Capital is a construction loan, commercial loan type company. So people are going to be constantly building stuff. They're going to be constantly, taking out loans. I figured this was a pretty risky and kind of an aggressive position because they did just launch their IPO in November of last year, and they got all the way up to about $13 a share. Then they obviously tanked with the market and got down to just under 6, and they rebounded to close to what their opening IPO was, which it looks like it was like $11. So I like this. I would love to get more positions in this. This is something that the Broadmark is going to be paying, I believe, 6 cents per share on its dividend. So that's an extra 24 cents per month that we'll look forward to actually getting. So that's kind of a look at our current portfolio. Let's go ahead and take a dive into our Excel spreadsheet. So as we look at our Excel spreadsheet here, these are all the positions on all the dates that I picked them up. So to date, I have actually invested $575.56, but down here you'll see $577.01, and that's because I got a free stock from one of my videos here that was referred. I ended up getting, I believe, ADT, and I sold it, and then I used that money to buy another stock, I believe SCM. So I picked that one up on May 8th. And just before I started my videos, I was doing some day trading, and I lost like $2 or $3. So to date, we have about $577 invested. Again, we picked up Broadmark at $8.78. It's going to be 6 cents per month on the dividend payout. We have 4 shares, so that'll be 24 cents per month, or a total of $2.88 per year, and that will make up about 6.09% of our portfolio. So let's go ahead and pop on over to our dividend payouts. To date, we are sitting at about $1.03 of our $575 invested. What's going to be nice is come next month, we're going to have Horizon and Sons, plus I believe Gain, and maybe a couple other ones. So we're going to see increases there, and this is just going to keep building. All right, guys, that's going to do it for this week's update and our big gains. Remember, go ahead and subscribe, hit that like button, share, all that cool and fun stuff. Thanks again, and have a great weekend.